Welcome to Backroad Journals. Our initial plan for today was to drive out into the mountains to enjoy a day by the lake. But a look at the surrounding mountains here in the valley revealed that the lower elevations had received a fresh coating of snow overnight. We decided to stick closer to sea level and venture out to one of our favorite spots along the Alberni Inlet. Join us on a rainy April day as we discover new backroads and views along the way and relax by the ocean surrounded by lush rainforest. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, like, comment, and share. Your support is always appreciated. Once we arrived at our location, right on the Alberni Inlet and next to a rushing creek that terminates into the inlet, we started a fire to keep us warm and explored the surrounding area. Though we really would appreciate some sun and warmer weather at this point, there's no denying that a rainy day by the ocean, surrounded by ancient mossy trees, creates a very special, almost mystical atmosphere. After a few hours of enjoying the peace and quiet by the ocean, it was time to pack up and head back home. Thank you for joining us on this trip, and we look forward to taking you with us in the future. Please do not forget to like and subscribe. Your comments and feedback are always welcome. We'll see you next time.